All right, guys, I'm just going to explain to you the worksheet on the apostrophe. All right, and when we're talking about the apostrophe in this case, it is to show possession. All right, now there are a few places in which we use the apostrophe. The first one we've already dealt with in class. It's when we do contractions. So if you remember our accident words, okay, when two words come together and they crash together and some parts of the word get thrown out in the accident, all right, we use an apostrophe where we have lost those letters. All right, so we use apostrophes in contractions. Okay, so, but that is not the way, or that's not what we're going to learn about today. We are going to learn about the apostrophe to show possession. All right, the apostrophe to show that something belongs to someone else or something else. Okay, so if you have a look at the sentence on the board here, it says, this is the dog's bowl. All right, now that bowl belongs to who? It belongs to the dog. It's the dog's bowl. All right, so in order to show that the dog owns that bowl or that bowl belongs to the dog, we need to have an apostrophe over there by the S. All right, now we have an apostrophe to show possession so that we can distinguish between when we have an S in a word to show plural, in other words, more than one. So if you have a look at this sentence, I saw 3 dogs in the park. Okay, that dogs over there, all right, just means more than one. Okay, it's not showing possession. All right, therefore we don't use an apostrophe. All right, so there is a big distinction between showing possession and a plural word, a word meaning more than one. All right, so I must let you in on a secret. Teachers actually cringe when we do the apostrophe to show possession because of this. All right, every time we teach this lesson, all right, children think that every word that ends in an S must now all of a sudden have an apostrophe, and that is just not the case. In fact, 9 times out of 10, all right, a word that ends in S does actually not need an apostrophe. All right, so we are learning about it today, but now that doesn't mean to say every word that ends in an S, you go and put an apostrophe with it. Okay, just double check that it is in fact showing possession and it doesn't actually mean more than one. All right, so it says attention, apostrophes aren't needed every time a word ends in S. All right, so do be careful there. Don't be throwing apostrophes around every time you see a word ending in S. So you're going to do the worksheet on apostrophes. Okay, you're going to put it in your English book, guys. All right, you should find this worksheet on apostrophes, okay, in your worksheet package. All right, and all you have to do is where you think there needs to be an apostrophe, you're just going to add it in. Please cut out the worksheet nicely, stick it in your book, and complete that.